What's going on everyone, and welcome to the Let Me Explain video about auto Carsposure. Now my name is of course Paul, welcome to the channel. This all started because of another channel I run, Paul Rankin YT. You'll find that linked in the description down below. I've done quite a few car videos on there and I was told it's time to start niching down on that channel, and the more I thought about things, and I do a lot of tech videos over there, so I figured I'd make that a tech channel and we'll make our own dedicated car channel, which is where auto Carsposure came from. The auto Carsposure name is a play on the auto exposure from a camera and obviously cars as well, so a bit of a play on that. We're going to be using a lot of different camera equipment going forward, such as phones, the Sony I'm filming on right now, Canons, you name it. We'll be using a lot of different cameras to film these videos to find out what works best for you guys. Going forward, what you're going to see on this channel, besides this Let Me Explain video and probably a trailer as well going forward, you're going to see a video on the Dodge Challenger RT, which was filmed last year in Orlando. We headed to Orlando to check out the 2023 Dodge Challenger RT, and that video is going to come onto this channel even though it's already over on the Paul Rankin YT channel. And the Revo video we filmed earlier on last year, that is going to come to this channel because we're going to do a series on the Focus ST edition that I currently own. So we'll do a series on that as well, documenting living with prices of fuel, modifications, what we're going to do to it going forward as we keep hold of it, or if it goes and a new car comes in. Then as we go a bit further along, we're going to go travelling with the car too. We're going to take it across to Europe and check out some places over there, as I would like to make some memories with this car. Also as well, hopefully as we go forward, we're going to start to bring other cars in, like cars I'm going to buy, like small lower budget cars, to where I can run alongside the Focus. We can make a series out of it, so I'm looking forward to that. That's in the plans. But we do have two YouTube channels besides auto Carsposure. We have the Paul Rankin YT channel and the Orlando Tourist channel. So the Paul Rankin YT channel will be the tech channel, which was smartphones, cases, gadgets, anything you can name with tech, that will be over there. This channel will be everything to do with cars and the ownership experience with the Focus ST edition. And then we have the Orlando Tourist channel, which is Orlando vlogs, which may change in the future depending on what happens, but that channel may also change with branding etc going forward. I'm glad you guys are here. I hope you stick around. We've got a lot coming up. We have, as soon as we make the announcement over on Instagram, which you can find linked down below to auto Carsposure, you can find other stuff down there, like find the PO box to appear in mail time. You can find all the links for Paul Rankin, the Orlando Tourist channel, and auto Carsposure linked down there too. And we've got a lot of stuff hopefully in the works. We're in talks with a couple of dealerships to get a couple of cars to come in to review. We've got a couple of various bits and pieces for the car, for the Focus ST, which we're working on too, so we'll make sure to bring that to you as well. And then we've also had a couple of offers for cars that we can review, so we're looking forward to seeing where that goes. We've got one in March coming up as a brand new car, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you decide to stick around. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. I'm going to see you all very, very soon. For now guys, there'll be two videos going live after this one, both filmed last year, so don't pay any attention to that. They're just going to live on this channel from now on, and then we're going to start the journey for this channel, so make sure you stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all really, really soon.